Hi, and welcome back to the Canvas crash course. In this video, we are going to learn how to get help with Canvas. When we made the Canvas crash course, we designed it to cover as much of Canvas as possible and also touching on all the main features. However, we recognize Canvas is a very large platform, and throughout your academic journey here at PLNU, you might encounter some unique issues that are not answered in full by our Canvas crash course. If that is the case, in this video, we're going to learn how to get answers for our questions and how to ask for help. So, to model an example, we're going to go into this course right here. We're going to navigate to our modules. If you have any questions on how to use modules, please refer to that Canvas crash course video. But we are wanting to submit this week 1 assignment. So as you can see here, we have an assignment. We want to submit it. We click here. We want to submit an assignment. And I want to submit these Chapter 2 notes doc. As you can see, we're getting this error for an invalid file type. That's because I tried to submit a docx file when the only file permitted is a txt. To solve this issue, all I would have to do is submit a text file. However, let's say I did not know that and I was just confused on why this wasn't working. We're going to go over a couple different ways to solve your issues regarding Canvas on your own. So first off, you can navigate to any browser, open up a new tab, and simply type Student Canvas Guides. Click the very first link for Student Guide Canvas Community. And this will open up the Canvas Guides. What Canvas Guides are is arguably one of the most comprehensive resources for anything and everything Canvas. To find answers to your Canvas related questions, you can use the search bar at the top or navigate through to the correct guide with these quick links. So we're having an issue submitting an assignment. So I'm going to click on Assignments. This will take me to different Canvas guides regarding assignments. So we're having struggles submitting an online assignment. So I can go and navigate to that guide and I say, how do I submit an online assignment? From here, this has a step-by-step guides and thorough information on submitting online assignments in Canvas. If we scroll down, we can go to the notes section right here and see, not all file types may be available for your assignment, depending on the assignment submission type set by your instructor. This is an example of how we'd be able to gain the information we needed to recognize that our problem in our week 1 assignment is due to the fact that our only .txt files are permitted. But for the example, let's say I was unable to find the answer I was looking for in the Canvas guides. What do I do now? And that's when you contact us at OIT Support. And so the correct way to do that is to go into your email, start a new message to oit@pointloma.edu, make the subject a brief description of your problem. So in this case would be unable to submit assignment. Include the course number as well as the assignment name. So course number will be, let's see here, temp_T Sandage, and the assignment name is week 1 assignment. So temp_T Sandage, and the assignment name is week 1 assignment. And then lastly, if applicable, it is helpful if you just include a brief screenshot or snip of your problem. So we can go here, create a new snip, and just kind of show the problem we are having. Copy that, and we can just paste it right into our email. And that's it. You'll send this to us, and we will get back to you as soon as possible. If you have any other questions, please refer to the Canvas crash course. Thank you for watching.